Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get best ASAP discount or promo code in 2025. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for ASAP discount code and click on here, and after that you can see there are multiple web links. You just have to simply open one or two. I am opening three web links. As you can see, this is the Deal Spotter official website. You can see $99 off ASAP force competitor codes. You can just click on the discounts and get the code like reset 20 to get 20% off. You just can simply copy it and paste it to your ASAP tickets where you are booking a ticket or purchasing a ticket, and you can also get 43% off on this coupon code. You just have to check 3 or 4 coupon codes and look for which one working with you. And if we go to the other website like wethrift.com, you can see there are multiple discount codes like 20% off, 15% off, $5 off, 15% off. You just have to simply copy the code from here and paste it to the flights or hotels you are booking and on the cart. And after that, the other website like asapticketeconomy.noji.com, you can also click on get this code on $50 off, and after that you can just copy it and paste it to the cart and have $50 off on your purchase on your flights or the hotel booking. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.